Hey y'all, IRIX Guy here, and within this video I'm going to respond to a question from Kathy, and she was just asking about pairing everything and how you pair everything for the Schwinn IC4. So what I'm going to do within this video is just talk through a few things. So this right here, this is the heart rate monitor that comes with the IC4. If you want to wear it, this heart rate monitor pairs with this computer that's built into the IC4. Now, what I use is my app. Well, I don't have my Apple Watch on right now, but I use my Apple Watch. And instead of pairing with the computer, when I use my Apple Watch pairs with my iPhone. And then the iPhone pairs with your Schwinn IC4. So check out my Peloton app video. And you'll see within the Peloton app that I get cadence, and the cadence is coming because my Peloton app, my iPhone, is paired with the IC4, and then the heart rate within the Peloton app is coming from my Apple Watch because I've got my Apple Watch paired with my iPhone. So it's actually pretty simple. Now, the good thing about the IC4 is that if you don't want to use an app, you can simply use this built-in computer. And, using the heart rate monitor, the little strap you put around your wrist, you can view your estimated calories burned, RPM, time, calories, speed, in miles per hour, or kilometers per hour if you're in the metric system, distance, the resistance level, which is controlled by this knob, see? So, and then, of course, your pulse, which is your heart rate. So, it's super simple to pair. And again, it's how you want to use it. So for me, to further answer your question, what I do, so I pair my Apple Watch with my iPhone. I pair my Schwinn IC4 with my iPhone. And I'm in the Peloton app, so I'm seeing cadence from my IC4. I'm seeing heart rate from my Apple Watch. And then what I do for my iPhone is I do the AirPlay, and I AirPlay to my TV. So my iPhone then, it makes it a really big image or big video, and I've got a sound bar connected to my TV, and I've got a wireless subwoofer. So the effect that I get just by using my iPhone and my Apple Watch and Schwinn IC4 is that I'm in a gym, and I've got an instructor right in front of me. So it's really an incredible experience. I hope this video helps. Again, none of these videos are really going to do it justice. Until you pick up an IC4 and experience it for yourself, it's hard to appreciate how intuitive of an experience it is. Not just intuitive experience, but just a very quality workout. Something that's not. It doesn't feel cheap at all. This is a well-made bike. And I haven't had any issues with it. So, again, if you're looking for the IC4, the mat like I use, the shoes like I use, expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find where to order it all online. And if you have questions, please ask. Keep them coming. Again, I love these questions because I'll try my best to answer your questions. If you got more questions, ask away, because I'm trying to film as many videos as I can. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. So I appreciate y'all's viewership. Best of luck with your fitness goals. And, I'm still kind of fat, but I'm getting a lot less fat thanks to this thing. Y'all have a good day.